This is for activity 2, how to read a food label. For my food, I'm doing Caesar pasta salad. Why did I pick this item? It's easy to make. It's one of my favorite snacks if I ever want to snack on it. And I usually use it as a side condiment for when I'm eating larger meals. Do I consume it regularly? Every so often, like I said, usually whenever I'm having a big meal, it's one of my side condiments. But if I'm in a snacky mood or something, I'll decide to eat it for a snack. Um, the serving size of the item, it's 2/3 cup as packaged, which is 52 grams, but it is 1 cup prepared whenever it is fully prepared. Um, do I eat the recommended serving size? I would say no when I'm eating it with another meal, but if I'm eating it just by itself, I usually consume the whole thing. Or if I'm maybe eating it with my girlfriend, me and her usually go half and half on it. Um, there are 4 servings per container. Um, the calories of the package, it's 190 calories as packaged, but whenever it's prepared, it's 310 calories, and that's mainly due to the fact of probably adding the 4th cup of vegetable oil, but I usually do less now. Um, what nutrients are considered high and what are considered low, and how do I know? From reading the label, the ones that are usually high is sodium, carbohydrates, um, and then dietary fiber is the next one. The reason why I can tell that one's higher from the other is because the DV percentage for sodium is 18%. For the total carbohydrates, it is 14%, and the dietary fiber is 9%. Um, Added sugars. There is actually 1 gram of added sugars, and that is 3% of DVs. How many grams of fiber? There is 3 grams of fiber, and that is 9% DVs. Total grams of carbohydrates is 38 grams of carbohydrates, and that is equivalent to 14%. The total fat is 1 gram, but it is 19% when it is prepared. How many grams of protein? There is 6 grams of protein in this one box. How many milligrams of sodium is in my item? Sodium is pretty high. There is 440 milligrams of sodium, and that is the largest percentage at 18% DVs. After looking at this label, I wouldn't consider this to be a healthy item, and the reason why is maybe because of the amount of carbohydrates and sodium, because those are the 2 highest ones in here. But although there is 6 grams of proteins, I still consider it to be not as healthy as I think it is. But that is why I don't consume as much when I'm eating it with a bigger meal or a 3 to 5 course meal.